Hi, my name is Francesco Fedele and I'm going to teach you how to make a video for your PR efforts. First of all, think and prepare before shooting. You have to decide what is that you want to say with your video. What's your message? And as a good Toastmaster, you know that's the basics of any kind of communication. Then you have to organize your video. You have to prepare a storyboard, which is a sequence of shots that you're going to make. And the sequence has to be arranged in a logical order. And again, as a Toastmaster, you surely know how to organize your speech, and therefore you also know how to organize your video. Of course, you have to get to the point. Be short and focused. Your video is not going to be very long. You have to aim directly for the message. It has to be short and entertaining. So please, please, please keep it short. Finally, think of how you can represent your message. Think what visuals can support the message you want to give. Some tips and tricks. For use on social media, aim for a 1 to 2 minutes video. Anything longer will probably bore people watching it, so keep it short. You can do something longer if you need to explain or present something, but then you're not going to plan to use it as a promotional video. You don't really need to have good audio. You can do with some music, possibly some free music, and some text in the video. This will make production of the video much easier. Make a storyboard, as I already told you, and shoot according to the storyboard. And make sure you've got all your shoots done before you go editing the video. When shooting, try to keep each scene under 15 to 20 seconds, of which you will actually use only 6 to 10 seconds. It has to be fast and you need to keep every scene very, very short. When shooting, try to move very slowly, possibly use a tripod. For assembling the video, use a free application called Quick. It's available both for iOS, for your iPhone or your iPad, and for your Android phone or tablet. With that application, I assure you, you can get a first version of your video in 5 minutes. Then, if you want to refine it, you can try out the different styles that Quick offers. You can adjust and shorten every scene, cut down unwanted parts so that every scene is no more than 10 seconds, possibly even less. Select the audio, select the music you want to, and add some text. Don't forget you can also include still pictures in your video, and Quick will automatically animate it. A revised version can take you 2 or 3 hours of work. And now I'm going to try to give you a short demo. So let's take the application and create a new video. I want to create a video about the DECM. And I have some material which I shot according to the idea that I wanted to give, which is a simple chronological report of the DCM. I'm going to select the videos that I want to include, and then I will ask the application to produce the video. As you can see, I have a number of videos, but they're all very short, and I shot them in this way because I knew I didn't want to have anything long. Remember, long is bad, short is nice. Okay. I can actually include photos and even posts from Facebook if I want. Okay, now the application is working on what I submitted, and it has already created a short video for me. This is the introduction of our DECN, and some of the people that I included in the video are here. Now if I want to refine a little bit the video, I click on the pencil here. And these are the scenes. I'm going to take out some of them. I want to take this out, and I want to take this out. This is okay, but I want to shorten it. So I'm going to cut down this part and this part so that it becomes less than 10 seconds. I want to add some text here, which says DECM, and then I want to put September 2016 Athens. This also is quite long, and I want to shorten it. But I want to take the first part. This is okay. This is a shot of the public, and that's okay. But then I want to take this out. I want to have this, but I want to shorten it a bit. And then I want to have this shot of the banner. And also this will be a bit shorter. Then I want to shorten this. And I want to keep this and this shots of the public. And this one I want to keep shortened. And I also want to add some text here, putting the name of the person. What it was doing. Okay, let's see what it looks like now. So once the video is finished, I can simply publish it, and my suggestion is to publish it on YouTube so that later you can post the link from the YouTube video on all the social channels that you want to use. So, make a video and have fun in making it. Ciao!